Hi children, good morning and welcome to today's class A Hero Part 4. See children, in the previous classes that we have learnt about the lesson called A Hero, and it was written by R.K. Narayan, and the newspaper article report and the conversation between the father and Swami, and moreover that we had seen even Swami's excuses to escape from his father's challenge, and the arrangements which his father made him to sleep in his office room, and also that we come across some of the questions which are very important on the exam point of view for the 2 marks and 4 marks. Okay, these are all the things that we have dealt in the previous class, and also that we have taught even the paragraph number 6, 7, 8 and 9, and as well as the paragraph number 10 was also discussed in the previous class. Am I right, children? Let's move on to the paragraph number 11. As the night advanced, see my dear friends, that we had seen that Swami was taken to his father's office room to sleep alone. Am I right? Why he has made to sleep alone? In order to teach him in order to cultivate him a good habits, and moreover that he was in the 7th standard. Being the 7th standard student, it's very shameful or it's very disgraceful according to Swami's father to sleep beside the granny or a mother like a baby. Am I right? That is why that in order to cultivate the good habits that he made him to sleep in his office room. Moreover, both Swami and his father were different in their theory regarding the article of the bravery of a village lad that we had seen in the very beginning of this lesson. You know, in the beginning it was only the challenge, now it has become command. So at last that it has become inevitable for him to sleep, and though he had played many excuses, his father not let him free, and he has taken by force to his office room. Got it? And he tried to escape from the challenge, but his father didn't agree. So at last when he has taken to the room there, am I right? See, the Swami was taken to the office room, and there he was made to sleep alone. So when he was sleeping there, as the night advanced and the silence in the house deepened, so he went there and he was sleeping. As the night advanced and the silence in the house deepened, his heart beat faster. See children, he slept in the room. When he was sleeping, okay, his heart started to beat faster and faster. He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life. When he was sleeping, he remembered the stories that he had heard in his life regarding the ghosts and devils. How often his Chummumani had seen the devil in the banyan tree at the street end. He remembered the story of the Chummumani who had seen the ghost at the banyan tree. And what about the poor Muniswami's father who spat out blood because the devil near the river's edge slapped his cheek when he was returning home late one night? The story of Chummumani and the story of Muniswamis, the Muniswami story, the people were talked about Muniswami was slapped in the night when he was returning from the edge of the river. Those stories were remembered him. He remembered. And so on, and his thoughts continued. He remembered all the stories of the ghosts and devils that what he had heard in his life when he slept alone in his father's room. He was faint with fear. When he remembered the stories of those stories, He was faint with fear. ತಲೆ ತಿರುಗೋದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಯಾಕೆ? With fear. Fear in the sense ಭಯ. A ray of light from the street lamp strayed in and cast shadows on the wall. Street light ray was appearing on the wall of the room, so it was blinking there. It shows too that he had seen that. Through the stillness, all kinds of noises reached his ears, the ticking of clock, rustle of trees, snoring sound, and some vague night insects humming. Apart from these stories, apart from the stories of the devils and ghosts, he heard some vague insect sounds. Okay, it was already very silent, so that he has heard some sounds like ticking of clock, tick 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 tick, like that now. Yes, and rustling of trees, rustle of trees, sound of the trees, and snoring sounds, gorke ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು, and some vague night insects humming, ಗುಯ್ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ವೇಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂಥರ ಓಕೆ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಕೀಟಗಳು, ಅವು ದೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ನ. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. He covered himself to completely that he could hardly breathe. He covered the blanket completely and he was frightened. He was threatened. That's why he could hardly breathe. In a sense, he was unable to breathe. Every moment that he expected the devil to come up to carry him away. He thought the devil will come at any moment and it would take him away. Because there was the instance of his old friend in the 4th class who suddenly disappeared and was said to have been carried off by the ghost to Sial in Nepal. There was a story told that one of his friends when he was in 4th standard was taken to the Nepal by the ghost. It was the story. He remembered that story and he also thought the devil will come and would take away at any moment. Got it, my dear friends? So these are the dreadful experiences that he has remembered. See, my dear friends, okay, it's very important on the exam point of view. How did he spend his night in the day? How did he spend? See, he remembered the stories of ghosts and devils. He remembered the stories of Munswami and the Chumumani and the rustling of leaves with some vague insect sounds and ticking of clock. They have created the fear in him. And also he remembered the story of his friend who had taken to Nepal by the devil. So he was expecting the devil to come at any moment. That's why he covered his blanket and it was very difficult for him to breathe and he felt very nervous and fainted. Got it? Thus, these things can be as covered and these things should be written. Okay, if they ask how was write about the dreadful experiences or how did he spend that night in that room. Got it, my dear friends? Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay. See then. Okay, in this slide that we can see that he remembered the stories of all the ghosts and devil. So, then what happened? Swami hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench and crouched there. When he remembered all those stories, children, he was frightened. He got up very quickly and rolled up his bed and he crouched or he went under the bench. He was sleeping on the bench. When he remembered the stories of these ghosts and devil, he made some changes in his sleeping place. He crouched and he folded his bed and mat. He spread under the bench and there he went to sleep. It seemed to be much safer place. See, he changed his sleeping place. In the beginning that he was sleeping on the bench. Now he went under the bench and he thought that is a safer place. That's why he made that change, as children. See, it seemed to be much safer place. That is why he made that change. Got it? It seemed to be much safer place, more compact and reassuring. Why did Swami decide to sleep under the bench? See where he was sleeping. Where he is sleeping now? He is sleeping under the bench. Why did he choose to sleep under the bench, children? Because it seemed to be a much safer place and more compact and reassuring. Okay, ತುಂಬ ಸೇಫರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೆವ್ವ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Okay, like that he thought and he decided to sleep there. He shut his eyes tight. Like this, he closed his eyes in a very tight position and escaped. Okay, encased himself in the blanket. Encased in the sense just like a suitcase na. He covered. Encased in the sense there, children. Encase ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ encase ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. It means cover. Got it? And also crouch ಅಂತಿದೆ. Lower the body to close to the ground. Okay, so like that. He encased himself inside his blanket once again. When he covered his body once again and unknown to himself feel asleep. Hange nidde bantu. Okay, by force that he is trying to sleep, children. Okay, asleep. He feel asleep nidde bantu. And in sleep was racked with the nightmares. See there, children. Malkondaga that he was haunted by the nightmares. What do you mean by nightmare? See here, children. Got it? Nightmares in the sense a dreadful dreams. Okay, which comes in the night or which comes in the night. Okay, sleep. Malkondaga bartakanta bayan huttistakanta kanaಸುಗಳು. Have you experienced these type of nightmares, children? Yes. So now he is haunted by the nightmares. When he went to sleep, he remembered the stories of ghosts and devils that he had heard in his life. And he was expected that they will may come at any moment and take away him. But now, when he is sleeping, okay, he remembered, see children, okay, he was experienced with the nightmares, dreadful dreams. In his sleep, in his dream, a tiger was chasing him. See there, a tiger was chasing him. ಟೈಗರ್ ಇವನನ್ನು ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. And his feet, a tiger was chasing him, his feet stuck to the ground. ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಎತ್ತಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವನು ಕಾಲು ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. He desperately tried to escape. He is making some failed attempts to escape from the tiger. But his feet would not move. ಆದರೆ ಅವನ ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. He is unable to lift his leg and to run. See, these are all the things are happening in his dream, children. Got it? Because that he had heard the stories of the tiger from his father, you know. That's why these things were remembered him while he was sleeping. That's why these things were haunting him in his sleep. And he tried to escape from the tiger in his sleep. All these things are happening in his dream, children. The tiger was at his back. At last the tiger came very close to him. When he was sleeping, he was haunted by the stories of the tiger. The tiger was chasing him in his sleep. And he could hear it cause scratch the ground. It was standing there and it was scratching the ground. You know, before going to fight or before going to catch its prey, it made some study preparations. like that it caused scratches the ground, and then a loud thud. All of a sudden, he observed some sort of sound there. Swami tried to open his eyes, but his eyelids would not open, and the nightmares continue. He tried to open his eyes like this, but he was unable to open his eyes. The nightmare continued. The dream was continued. He threatened to continue forever. It has continued forever. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ groaned in dismay. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನರಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ very important. Okay, how he experienced some dreadful experience while he was sleeping. Okay, see, we may continue by the paragraph 11 and 12 like this. While sleeping, Swami was haunted by, remembered the stories of ghosts and devils, and the stories of Muniswami and Chimumani, and some vague insect sounds created him a fear in that night. He felt very difficult to sleep. At last, when he went to sleep, okay, he changed his sleeping place, and he crouched under the bench. And there also, that he was haunted by the nightmare. Okay, in that nightmare, a tiger was chasing him and make him threatened, and he was afraid. Got it? Like this, that we have to write, if they have asked for 3 marks, write about the dreadful experience of Swami in that night. Got it, my dear friends? Okay. See, now he was chased by the tiger, and he tried to open his eyes, but he was unable. With a desperate effort, he opened his eyes. With much difficulty, he tried to open his eyes, and at last opened. He put his hand out to feel his granny's presence at his side, as was his habit, but he only touched the wooden leg of the bench. So, when he was haunted by the nightmare dream, so he was haunted by the tiger story, and he tried to opened at last, and he touched his and he searched for his granny, because he used to sleep beside his granny. That's why he touched around him, and he searched something. He searched his granny around him, but he could not find the granny. Do you know why? God. Where he was sleeping? He was sleeping alone in his office room. So it could not flash him for a while. After some times that he came to know. Got it? When he was searching for his granny, he touched only the wooden leg there. When he touched the wooden leg of the bench, and his lonely state came back to him, then he remembered that he was sleeping alone, that too in his father's room. He sweated with fright. So he was frightened. Okay, sweating. ಬೆವರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಭಯದಿಂದ. He was afraid. And now, what was this rustling? ಕಣ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, some rustling sounds was heard there. Rustling sounds ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಥರ ಈ ಎಲೆಗಳು ನೈಟು ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ರಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಂಗ್? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಏನೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. He moved to the edge of the bench and stared into the darkness. He stared into the darkness. Something was moving down. See, children, see there. In the dark night that he saw something was moving in the room. He lay gazing at in horror. ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Something was moving in the room, and His end had come. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಂಡ್ ಬಂತು. He realized that the devil would presently pull him out and tear him. Oh, the devil has already reached the room and it had come to take me. That is what he thought. Deva bandide. Something was moving in the room now. Yes, that was a devil. Was it the devil? See, I don't know. He thought the devil would take him away. So, why should he wait? ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ದೇವ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Why should I wait? ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂದ. As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench. When it came close to him, when it came very close to him, he crawled out from the under the bench. Bench ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ. Agreed with all his might and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Do you know what he did? ನಾನು ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಟೈಟಾಗಿ ಹಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ? ಡೇವಿಲ್ನ. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದ ಡೇವಿಲ್? ಸಿ, ಡೇವಿಲಿನ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಚ್ಚಿದ. When he bit that creature, it started to shout, "Ayyo, something has bitten me! Ayyo, something has bitten me!" ಏನೋ ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕೆರ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂತು. Who is that? Whom did he bite? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಚ್ಚಿದ? Yes? ನೋಡೋಣ. When he bite something, when that voice shouted like, "Ayyo, something has bitten me," went forth an agonized, a thundering cry, and was followed by a heavy trembling and falling amid of the furniture. Okay, ಕಚ್ಚಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಧಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಸೌಂಡನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅವನು ಕಚ್ಚಿದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತು. In a moment, father, cook and servant came in carrying a light. Sound ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ all of a sudden ನೀವು ತಂದೆ, okay, his father, his servant and cook, everybody came very quickly to the room, and all the three of them fell on the burglar who lay amidst the furniture with a bleeding ankle. Got it now? Whose voice was that? Who cried there? Whom did he bite? Yes, he bite the burglar. Burglar in the sense, children? Thief. Okay, a robber. Got it? Burglar andre kalla. Okay, darodeಕೋರ. ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿದ್ದ. ಅವನ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He thought it was a devil and bit him, and he cried like he created a strange voice, children. Got it? See this picture that you can understand how Swami bit that burglar. And do you know how he has bitten the burglar? He was bleeding, children. He used his teeth as a mortal weapon. ಹಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. So he was bleeding, children. Okay, when the sound came, his father and servants came to help him. Okay, like this he bit the burglar, children. Okay, that is not the devil. That is not at all the devil. Devil ado devana alla. But Swami thought it was a devil. Got it? ಅವನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೋ ಅದು devil ಅಂತ. In reality it was not a devil, it was a burglar, children. Got it? So when he bite, and when Swami's father and cook came and rushed to help him, like this he helped to catch the burglar. Congratulations were showered on Swami next day. See what happened next day. He thought it was a devil and bite. His father and the servant came and helped to catch him. Do you know what happened next day? Congratulations were showered on Swami next day. Everybody, congratulations in the sense, Abhinandanegala Surimale. Showered means gut. Got it? Surimale. Everyone were praising the bravery of Swami. His classmates looked at him with respect. His teacher patted his back. The headmaster said that he was a true scout. Nijavada Dhairyavanta. Swami had bitten into the flesh of one of the most notorious housebreaker of the district, and the police were grateful to him for it. See, another 2 marks question will be arising. Why did the congratulations showered on Swami? Why did congratulations showered on Swami? Because Swami helped to catch one of the most notorious. See here. So this is what they will ask you. Why did the congratulations showered on Swami? Because Swami had bitten into the flesh of one of the most notorious housebreaker of the district, and the police were grateful for him for that. That is why congratulations were showered. How are the congratulations? Nodi. Why did congratulations showered on Swami antandre? Because he was bitten, he was helped to catch the most notorious criminal of the district. That's why congratulations showered. How are the congratulations? Abhinandanegala Surimale ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಯಿತು? See there? His classmates, got it? His classmates looked at him with great respect. ಅವನೊಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದು ಏನು? ಇಡೀ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, he helped to catch the most notorious criminal of the district children. That's why his friends looked at him with a great respect. Like this, okay? His classmates looked at him with respect, and his teacher patted his back. Or teacher ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Patted his back, ಬೆನ್ನು ತಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಎಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. And his headmaster said he was a true scout. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಡ್ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Told him that he was a true scout. Scout in a sense, he was a real hero. Got it? So the word scout has asked for one word, children. One word in one sari ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See there, underline the word scout there. Scout ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. In page number 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. One who trained in doing acts of public service. Public service ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಈ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಶವರ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಶವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ವರ್ ದ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್? ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳ ಸುರಿಮಳೆ ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಟು catch the most notorious criminal of the district. That is why congratulations were showered on Swami. Got it, children? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವನು ಕಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ ಕಚ್ಚನ್ನ? ಎಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ದೆವ್ವ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ಲಿ he became a hero. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So in the beginning that we had come across the line, events took unexpected turn in Swami's life ಅಂದಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಎತ್ತಣ ಮಾಮರ, ಎತ್ತಣ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ, ಎತ್ತಣಿಂದೆತ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧವಯ್ಯ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಚಾಲೆಂಜು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಕಳ್ಳ. ರೈಟ್? ಕಳ್ಳ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ he became a hero now. ಏನಾದ ಹೇಳಿ? ಗಡ್ ಎ ಹೀರೋ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ become a hero unexpectedly. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಏನಂತ? ಸ್ವಾಮಿ become a hero unexpectedly. Justify your answer ಅಂತಾನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? Yes, this is how Swami helped to catch the most notorious criminal of the district. Next, the police inspector who had come to their home to take the burglar, he said, "Hey, hello, child, why don't you join the police when you are grown up?" ಎಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಬಾಯ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಸಿ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಎ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್. ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸಿಗೆ ಸೇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ may ask in your examination. Why don't you join a police when you grown up? Who is the speaker? The police inspector. Got it? Am I right? To whom was it said? It was said to Swami. So, Swami said for the sake of politeness. ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, he responded to the police inspector. Though he had quite made up his mind to be engine driver, a railway guard or a bus conductor later in life. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, Swami had a plan that he had made up his mind that he wanted to become a engine driver, railway guard or bus conductor in his mind. ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. See, what did Swami wanted to become early before this incident in his life? Okay, he wanted to become a engine driver or a railway guard or the bus conductor ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ. But after this incident, he changed his mind and he made up his mind. Got it, children? This is also very important on the exam point of view, children. What did Swami wanted to become in his life before this incident? He wanted to become, got it? Parikrama makla, engine driver, railway guard or the bus conductor. Got it? Yes. But he changed his mindset when the police talked to him and encouraged him that why don't you join the police when he grown up after this incident. So like this, that he became a hero throughout the night. In one night, Swami became a hero and popular all over the area. ಇಡೀ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? and in the newspaper also that these boys daring adventurous things were published. ನೋಡಿ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಇವನ ಹೆಸರು. ಯಾರ್ದು? Got it? So like this, Swami became a hero unexpectedly just in one night. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Just in one night he became a hero. But in the beginning he was not the hero. Got it? So this is why the question may ask like this also. Swami became a hero unexpectedly. Do you agree with this? Justify. Am I right? ಹಂಗಂತನೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Swami become a hero overnight. Swami become a hero over a night. How? Justify. ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ write about the dreadful experience of Swami. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Got it? So like this, Swami become a hero unexpectedly over a night, and all his friends and teachers and headmasters patted his back because of his deed. Even the police inspector praised him. But Swami was a scareful one. He was afraid. If he think it is a burglar, he might have ran away without biting him. But he thought it was a devil, and took courage and tried to bite him. Got it? So after all these things, children, I went to school and when he returned home from the, okay, when his father on that night, in the next day, when his father returned home from the club that night, father asked, where is the boy? As usual, ಬಂದರು ಅವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ he asked his wife, where is the boy? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? he is asleep. he is asleep. ಮಲಗಿದಾನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ? he didn't have a wink of sleep the whole last night, said his mother. ರೀ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಲೆ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? he didn't have a wink of sleep the whole night. ಒಂದು ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ರಿ ಇಡೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ. ಓಕೆ, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ he sleeping? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ? she said. in his usual place, mother said casually. ಅಮ್ಮನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಿದ್ನೋ ಅವ್ನು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. and he went to bed at 7:30. 7:30 ಮಲ್ಕಂಡ. See, the conversation is taking place between the Swami's mother and the Swami, that he is talking to Swami's wife. So, Swami's wife is, Swami's father and Swami's mother child. Swami's mother is convincing his father that he is already went to bed, and he went to bed very quickly today, because at 7:30 only that he went, because that he had not slept over the entire night in the previous day. That's why he went to bed very early. He went to bed at 7:30. Where is he sleeping? In his usual place. Sleeping beside his granny again? Huh? Again he has slept in his beside his granny? Father said. No wonder. He wanted to be asleep before I could return home. Clever boy. He went and slept already beside his granny. Before I come he went, huh? Clever boy. No wonder. ಏನು ವಿಚಿತ್ರನಪ್ಪ, ಇದೇನು ಕಥೆನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Mother lost her temper. Mother became a little furious. You let him sleep where he likes. You need not risk his life again. ನಿಮ್ದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅವನು. ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್? ಸಿ, ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ sleep where he likes. Who said this? Swami's mother. To whom was it said? It was said to Swami's father. Got it? You let him. Who is the him here? Swami. Got it? So she lost the temper and said him, you let him sleep where he likes. You need not risk his life again. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. got it? ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Okay. Father mumbled as he went in to a change. ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. That he has decided to change. He went to bring changes in his son's habit, but his mother, his grandmother are supporting Swamina. That's why he understood. Okay, he can't change the change now. He said, okay, all right. Okay, mole kudile and spoil him as much as you like. Okay, what do you mean by mole kudile? Treat someone very kindly and protect the person too much from anything unpleasant. ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ. ಆಯಿತು, ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೇನು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮೀ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆದರೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವನೇನಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ, ಅವನೇನಾದರೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಹಾಳಾದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೈಬೇಡಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮೀ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಬೈಬೇಡಿ. ನಾನೇನೋ that I will try to bring some changes in his life. That's why I want to bring him a good habits. I wanted him to cultivate the good habits. But you and your my mother are not allowing me to bring the changes in him. So let him live however that he likes, but don't blame me afterwards. Swami following the whole conversation from under the blanket. He was following, he was looking, and he was listening all the conversation which has been taking place between his mother and father, and felt tremendously relieved to hear that his father was giving him at last he come to understand, aha, Satya, namappa nan bitru kanappa, nanantu safe aade. Got it? Like that he revealed, he felt free at last when his father stopped the task of sleeping in his room. Got it? Likewise, over a day, Swami became a hero. Have you understood, my dear friends? So I hope that you have understood the lesson neatly, and in this lesson either they may ask extracts or 3 marks question or 2 marks question, children. I hope that you have understood and practice the lesson in your home, write the notes and do well. Okay, thank you.